Mike Alicia, and I brought out a 1966 Pontiac Tempest Lemans. She has a Cadillac Pearl color on it. I've had this car since 2005. Believe it or not, when I got this car, I was in sleeping. My wife woke me up. She found it on eBay for $3,000 in Utah. And when she bought it, it had a lot of rust. It was just, the engine was running. It was able to get onto the truck, come off the truck, and get into my house. But the reality is we restored the whole car. It's been restored from the fenders, the hood, the engine, the motor, interior, all the chrome. So we put a little love into it, yes. It starts all the time, and it runs very smooth. And you know, that's the one thing about when you restore a car, you wonder if it's going to start. But she starts all the time. You know what? I think you guys are doing a great job in the community. I think you're bringing a lot of awareness around the community. And as you continue to grow and expand, I think you guys are going to do great. And your future is so bright, you're going to have to wear sunglasses.